Hello and welcome back to the conclusion of the Snorkel video. I did it again. Not only did I not have a resonator and have to go buy one from a part yard, I left the seal there, didn't I? And you need this seal because this seal fits on the airbox. I really thought I was better organised than this, but obviously I'm not. So, this little gasket, where does it fit? Well, it fits on here. Now this one's a bit perished. Now they're really hard to come by, these, and I don't think you can buy them anywhere, so I've glued it up. And the problem is I haven't had one of these on here for a long time, so I've got to get this back on like that. So that'll have to be siliconed on, and then I'll have to silicone in here. Hopefully that will fit nicely into there. So what I'm doing here now is I'm going to silicone the small hole there. The big hole is for the bolt. The small hole is what I'm going to silicone. But I just wanted to remind you that when you're using silicone, it's such a messy job. Get some gloves because it'll save a lot of hassle. I've got a box of panel components here, and that little component there with a solid end fits in perfect. So I'm going to silicone it in place. I'm also going to silicone in the rubber seal, and then we shall stick it in the hole. I am not the world's best person when it comes to silicone. My son Rob is, because he's a welder and they have steady hands. Unfortunately, when we get to my age, steady hands are a thing of the past. You blunder into things and do all sorts. I'm going to put some silicone in this and see how that goes. Hopefully that worked okay. Look, see what I mean? Look, I've got silicone on my knee. If you game for it, brake clean takes it off. It dissolves it. The problem with black nitrile gloves is you can't see where the silicone is. But anyway, so the next job is to I either let this set for a while, or I can silicone around here and assemble it. And I think I'm going to do that because why not? Right. So we're siliconing in both places. Let's get it fitted. Remember the clips? Now these clips will fall out as soon as I look at you. If you try and put them back in, obviously not impossible. But the issue is if you don't sort the seal out in the lid, then you might as well not bother because cooked water will just come through the lid. So a good spray with silicone grease will help you get that sealed in place. Everything looks good at this end. Now we're going to put the inner wing on. I might bring you a bit closer for that, because this is a fiddly of a hell of a job. It's a fiddly pain in the butt job, this, getting this back in here. Well, first of all you've got to get it the right way around. The best way to tell is to go look at the other side.